to the University of Michigan Urine Separation and Processing Facility. Our facility is located on North Campus in G.G. Brown, the Civil and Environmental Engineering building. The major components of our facility include a urine-diverting toilet in the women's room, a waterless urinal in the men's room, a processing room, and a lab where we conduct research on urine-derived fertilizers. Our urine-diverting toilet is located by the Hayward Street entrance to the G.G. Brown building. When you enter, you will see our department's main office, and just a couple doors down are the restrooms where urine collection takes place. The restrooms are open to anyone to use and located in a hallway of faculty offices, conference rooms, and classrooms. Because of the high level of traffic in the area, we have signs outside and inside each restroom to explain why we are interested in urine separation and how someone can contribute to our project. In the women's restroom, there are signs that provide fun facts about why we are interested in urine separation. Our urine-diverting toilet is in the stall that is labeled P only. The toilet is a Wassmer EcoFlush toilet that physically diverts urine from the front of the bowl, but otherwise operates like any water tank flush toilet. It was installed in 2017 and has been used by our students, staff, faculty, and visitors since. In the stall, users will see a sign that provides answers to frequently asked questions, including how to use the toilet, whether they can use the toilet when they have their period, where to put toilet paper, and where the urine goes after it is flushed. In the men's restroom, there are signs with fun facts about urine and signs that lead you to the waterless urinal that we collect urine from. Unlike the other urinals in the restroom, this one is waterless to prevent the urine from getting diluted. Water in the collected urine increases the volume and makes it more difficult to transport. Since our tap water is hard, reducing flush water in the pipes also prevents scaling. The toilet and urinal are dosed with a weak acetic or citric acid to prevent a chemical reaction that transforms urea into ammonia, effectively preventing odor at the toilet or urinal and keeping most of the nitrogen in the collected urine as urea. Urine and acetic acid that was dosed into the toilet and urinal are plumbed downstairs to our urine processing room. We have worked in partnership with our university facility staff to install the urine collection and processing facility. Since it is part of research, it is accommodated as research infrastructure given the mission of the university. If we try to have a collection event outside of the university, we do not have a permit to transport unprocessed urine and have to hire a septage hauler to deliver the product from our collection event. The processing room is located one level below the restrooms. It is also in a hallway with student, staff, and faculty offices and classrooms. As with the restrooms, we have signs outside the room to explain why we are interested in urine separation and what this room is used for. There is a ventilation system installed in the room to minimize odors from exiting the room. Our processing room is designed in collaboration with Rich Earth Institute to retain the nutrients in the urine, remove pathogens and contaminants, and remove water for more efficient transportation of the fertilizer product. The process starts when urine is plumbed from the restrooms into the processing room. At 1, urine flows into the room in separate male and female infeed lines, past the first set of pH meters at 2, and into the raw urine tank at 3. A pump pulls urine from the raw urine tank into the freeze concentrate system at 4. This process relies on the lower freezing point of salt water. The system lowers the temperature of the urine, freezing some of the water and allowing the nutrients in urine to be removed in the remaining liquid. After 1 or 2 cycles, urine can be concentrated to a level that makes it more competitive with commercial liquid fertilizers. Concentration also makes urine transport more efficient. Concentrated urine is then pumped into the pasteurizer, which heats the urine. This process kills or inactivates biological contaminants, reducing the risk of infection for anyone handling the urine or consuming produce grown with the urine-derived fertilizer. At 6, our control panel gathers data from the pH and conductivity probes in the room and uses that information to automate pumps to transfer urine between processes and dose acetic acid. Not shown in the video is our activated carbon reactor that removes contaminants such as pharmaceuticals from urine. Urine that is collected in the processing room may also be processed separately in our urine lab. Here, we designed a system to isolate the phosphorus in the urine. This is relevant for applications where it has been determined that the soil does not require additional phosphorus. The urine goes through a reactor where phosphorus is precipitated out as a mineral compound called struvite, or magnesium ammonium phosphate. With the urine we collect and urine-derived fertilizer we process, our team of undergraduate students, graduate students, nonprofit partners, and faculty have conducted multiple research projects. We have studied a range of research topics, including those related to pathogen fate, processing, contaminants, ecology, systems analysis, and perception of urine-derived fertilizers. For the past 2 years, we have demonstrated non-crop application of phosphorus-free urine-derived fertilizer on peony beds at the W.E. Upjohn Peony Garden in Ann Arbor as part of the P for the Peonies project. The W.E. Upjohn Peony Garden is managed by Matai Botanical Gardens and Nichols Arboretum at the University of Michigan, both whom are interested in more sustainable fertilizers to fulfill their needs. This collaboration provided significant visibility for the urine-derived fertilizer demonstration. The Peony Garden is one of the world's premier collection of peonies and attracts over 100,000 visitors every year. The garden is home to nearly 800 peonies, with over 10,000 flowers at peak bloom. The Peony Project has a significant outreach component. Informational signs were placed for visitors to read about nutrient efficiency and the pollution and energy-saving potential of urine-derived fertilizer. Researchers also spent time in the garden discussing urine-derived fertilizer and the ongoing research project with visitors. In addition to the outreach component of the P for the Peonies project, we conduct lab tours for visitors and have informational signs on campus. You can find more about our research on our website, www.newcycles.org.